Today is gonna be a very interesting video because I'm gonna take you through a raw work in progress site which we are doing here at Nagar, Chennai. Renovation projects are normally the most challenging ones. I really love challenges. You know why? Because in a renovation project, first you have to understand the structural layout, the plumbing layout, the electrical layout. Then the clients need wants and goals, what they have to achieve. Here in this project, we have made a lot of structural changes to this property. We have changed the flooring, we have removed the walls, we have renovated the washrooms, and also we have done false ceiling work over here. We have done cabinetry work and a lot of others in progress. When you visit a finished site, you see what it actually should look like. But when you visit a raw, unfinished, work in progress site, you see the process, the raw and real nature. That actually builds trust. When we were starting to design this space, first what we identified was what could make the space look more spacious. So we removed walls, we added elements, and each element what we added was showing the character of the person who is going to use. We have added some curves to these walls by creating arches, and the same design has been brought as an extension to the false ceiling. This brings a traditional plus a contemporary look to the space. If you notice the false ceiling, we have created the same arch-like pattern over here with a curved circular pattern. We are going to hang some chandeliers over here and add some co-lighting inside. The same has been brought here for the arch wall, the main arch wall of this property. We are going to add a swing over here, and there's going to be co-lighting in the false ceiling. This is going to be a laterite stone wall. We have done a wall paneling work over here. That's going to be shelves in space. And we are going to do a laterite stone brick work, which is going to be a unique masterpiece for this house. And it's going to create an identity for the space. When you look at the kitchen, the primary challenge of the kitchen was constraint of space, and it needed some modern amenities to it. So we have removed the walls, added a granite countertop, and also created more space. These are rolling shutters which are coming up. We have handleless drawers. We have a chimney coming up over here. We also have a AC provision which we are going to create over here in the kitchen. And the kitchen itself, if you look, it is separated into a wet and a dry area. This is going to be the dry part of the kitchen, and this is going to be the wet part of the kitchen. There's going to be two sinks which are going to come up. One, comparatively a smaller sink coming up over here, and another, a comparatively big and deeper sink coming up over here. We have two roller shutters, one here on this side and one on the other side. Both the rolling shutters are gonna have a lot of kitchen appliances or whiteware which is coming. That is the mixers, coffee makers, and all those stuff. This is again a work in progress renovated washroom. We have changed the wall tiles, we have changed the floor tiles, we have divided the space into wet and dry area. There's gonna be a hand wash which is gonna come here, so there's a cabinet for that. This is a concealed flush tank, and we have given a stone over here in the top. We have the switch points, accesses which have been created, and also we have also created a niche area over here. So this is gonna serve a very essential part in the shower area because you can store all your shampoo and other products over here. and that gives a more aesthetic look also, because we have added a lighting over here.
Designing a space and bringing it to reality takes time, precision, and attention to every detail. That's why every space we create is carefully designed with specific requirements, and each vendor receives a detailed drawing for accurate execution. And once you onboard with us, you can leave the stress of building your dream space behind. You focus on your regular life while we take care of the entire process from design to execution and get the job done. For more videos like this, don't forget to follow us and subscribe to our channel.